How to find inbox cleaner settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find inbox cleaner settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click messages, and once you're here click these 3 points in top corner, and here we'll find it, inbox cleaner, and that's it. Now just here you can manage it, and here you can clean it. Just click clean up and select anything you want here and click clean up, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.